Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dr. Wayne Dyer 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Here we are with part 97 of this series, so welcome everybody. Now, today we're talking about something we've talked about a lot of times before. This one is more about prejudice, about how we naturally seem to treat others and our mind as kind of like this rental space, and we just kind of throw stuff around and just act as we will, without like worrying too much about the cleaning fee, basically. And then instead we should work to clear our minds of prejudice, of these negative thoughts, all that kind of stuff. Now, at this point, I feel like we've heard this idea 30 million times or something. So it's kind of, I think it's just good to go over it again just to get that repetition in, but I don't really have much more to say about it. The way we treat others and the way we think about ourselves and the world, the way we treat all of that is how our subconscious mind will treat us. So if we treat the world well, we treat others well, our subconscious mind will treat us well. If we treat the world badly, we treat others badly, we just have that negative thing against everybody, we lash out at everybody. Our subconscious mind will lash out at us and ruin and sabotage all of our things. So have your mind trying to be free of prejudice, free of negativity, free of judgment, free of blame. If you could free it up from all that kind of stuff by mindfully being aware of it and just starting over whenever you do one of those things, just taking it off a little bit at a time, then slowly but surely you can get rid of that negativity. That's about it for part 97. I've repeated that a number of times already, so I hope you guys have gotten it at this point. I will see you guys next time with part 98, so stay tuned.